Welcome to the Best Products for You YouTube channel. To know the details about the best products in the world, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the notification bell in front. Introducing the game-changing 140W charger USB Type C PD3.1 Fast Charge, the ultimate charging solution for your MacBook, tablet, and iPhone. Embrace the power of cutting-edge technology and experience lightning-fast charging like never before. Here's why you won't want to miss out on this incredible charging accessory. Unparalleled charging speed. With an impressive 140W output, this charger delivers lightning-fast charging for your MacBook, tablet, and iPhone. Say goodbye to long charging times and embrace the convenience of rapid power delivery. Universal compatibility. This charger is designed to cater to all your devices' charging needs. Whether you own a MacBook, tablet, or iPhone, this versatile charger supports USB Type C PD3.1, Quick Charge 4.0, and Quick Charge 3.0, making it the perfect companion for all your gadgets. Compact and portable design. Despite its powerful performance, this charger maintains a compact and portable design. Its sleek build ensures easy storage and effortless portability, making it ideal for home, office, or travel use. Advanced charging technology. Built with cutting-edge charging technology, this charger ensures optimized charging for your devices, maximizing efficiency and battery life. You can charge multiple devices simultaneously without compromising on speed or performance. Safe and reliable. Safety is paramount when it comes to charging, and this charger delivers on that front. Equipped with advanced safety features, it protects your devices from overcharging, overheating, and short-circuiting, giving you peace of mind while charging. USB Type C power delivery. The USB Type C PD3.1 technology enables fast and efficient charging for your MacBook and other compatible devices. Experience a seamless power delivery experience that keeps your devices ready for action at all times. Quick Charge for iPhone. For iPhone users, this charger offers Quick Charge 4.0 and Quick Charge 3.0 support, ensuring your iPhone charges up in no time. No more waiting for hours for a full battery. Get a rapid charge and stay connected on the go. Multi-device charging. With multiple ports and rapid charging capabilities, you can charge multiple devices simultaneously without compromising on charging speed or performance. Keep all your essential gadgets ready for use whenever you need them. Energy efficient. Despite its powerful output, this charger is energy efficient and environmentally friendly. It optimizes power consumption, ensuring your devices charge quickly without excessive energy usage. Satisfaction guaranteed. We believe in the quality and performance of our product, which is why we offer a satisfaction guarantee. If you're not completely satisfied with your purchase, we'll be happy to provide a refund or replacement. Elevate your charging experience and get the 140W charger USB Type C PD3.1 Fast Charge today. With its rapid charging speed, universal compatibility, and advanced safety features, this charger is the perfect addition to your tech arsenal. Charge smarter and faster. Invest in the power of convenience now.